But I do have some really great tips on how you can dress up your walls and not spend a fortune. And a lot of people get really scared about wall covering. So I wanted to show a really cool thing that you can do for a three-dimensional wall. This is our version of wall covering. And I'm going to tell you how much it costs before I even get started. This wall, you could do an entire room for about $6, okay? $6.
I know that sounds weird, but this is so cool. This is yarn. You're looking at yarn on nail heads.
Right.
It's really cool, right?
Exactly, and all you're gonna do is find a pattern that you like that's pretty simple. You wanna go for sharper angles, that's usually the
simple
easiest.
And repetitive.
Right, and something that you can print on a regular piece of paper.
Right.
Then we tape it all up here like this. And then you pop the nail heads into the actual corners, right? And then we're gonna pull the paper
and then
off.
you string the yarn around. That's it.
Yeah, that's it, exactly. I'm gonna pull this paper
Isn't
off.
that
We got the yarn.
And this kind of echoes the tapestry that they put up on your wall, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
It really echoes what you did for Chris.
Right.
With the tapestry against the wall.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, look how easy this is, you guys.
All right,
Like,
it's just wrapping it.
Yeah, you just keep wrapping until you get it. The thickness, and you know, the beauty of this is that you can play around with different colors. We did a room on Restaurant Impossible, and we used bright, vibrant colors. It was a Latin fusion restaurant. I think we have an image of it, too.
Yeah. Oh, it's amazing.
Yeah. Gorgeous.
And it's nothing. It's just yarn.
And you saw how easy that was.
Very cool.